Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya.
Hey guys, hope you're good on a Sunday morning. Just checking up on you. Ukuthi please ningakhohlwa at 8 p.m. today. We are live. We are back at our lives. I know our lives are new, but they're not anymore. I've been here on 2 months already on the lives. Just about to actually start a third month, in fact. Yeah, so we are live at 8 today. Jay, just to touch up, because they coming back tomorrow on the 13th. Senzo Meyiwa Casey. Just to see, are we gonna be sitting again for Putilo? Ungifika criminal. Oh, Baloyi. Baloyi. Ebhizinengane yabantu ntanzi. We've been doing that now for the past 2 months. Are we not tired? Are we getting something new? How Rata told us when he was leaving, I might not come back every time, like even in December, he did the same thing. And people, they're like, no, asifuna ubuhambile emhlabeni. Sifuna ungabuyi. Like, retire, because you're 80 years old this year, please. We are going to talk about a lot of things, like that whole thing, Yama AVLs. I've been asking about it quite a few times, where Umbuzi said, Api Kanti Ama AVL. Kuthiwa no, the polo, the red polo, no, didn't there were no installation. You know those things came out at Madlanga, right? Yeah. Ngalo Ababa, who's also suspended from work, who came. He brought that up. He was like, oh no, Jeps. I was like, Jeps? Awan Jeps. Bagithi awan Jeps. Yangithi lo besebenzisana no Patricia Mashale. If you know, you've been following them. He actually has his own channel now on Jeps. So I'm just like, this thing has been coming out, and non Jeps now is just like, you know what, if it means I go to Madlanga to clear my name, I'll do it. He's on the tape right now. It's just like, whatever. Like how Patricia Mashale, he and herself went to ad hoc committee to clear her name. Gobo Shetrek babezenzela ngaye when he was whistleblowing uShedrack Sibiya esho izinto ngaye uShedrack Sibiya wathi mina ke I will sue you angazi kahle. But you know what was happening with that though? uShedrack Sibiya never used to come to Bloemfontein. They used to have like your court dates there. He won't pitch this guy. He'll send his lawyers. And then Kesekon was dismissed. I was just like, Shedrack is not serious. And that's when actually things started to blow up. Okay. Boma last year with how Simas Gutikant Joseph, General Shedrack Sibiya, is actually a criminal. Like how Umkwanazi told us. I'll never sit with a criminal around the same table. Oh, Shobani. Oh, generally, Mkwanazi wethu. Someone once said in a Mangisi wethu, but it was around Untanzi. What's he? Please stop saying good Untanzi wethu is not ours. I'm just like, keep it to yourself. Please. Like Ngapa Urata kept on saying, Yazini Mnisi, you can take me up on appeal. And it's crazy how Mnisi kept on saying, take you on appeal for what, bruh? Like almost 3 times. He asked him, he was like, take you on appeal for. So I'm just like, you know what, it's again this coming week. I don't know if we can be able to take it. It's a lot. It's a lot. Baba fanele retire, guys. Accept right. Just as much as I had said, one of my beautiful services once said, about actually 3 weeks ago, one said, there is no way that Rata was brought into this case for nothing. There's a reason he was actually brought here. I'm just like, una 80 what guys now uvumelana into Uba involved in such like it's such a crazy thing. Ngapha futhi uBaloyi Borders, just before they went to recess, kept on saying one and the same thing in Dabagatumelo Madala, no Zandile Kumal, isn't engeke, and Untanzi kept on telling him, bruh, please. Yeah, but there was a tall person or whatever they're saying, those people and about the beard and all of that. That's not me though. On our live, futhi sizokhuluma kakhulu futhi ngoJudas Iscariot uButilo abathi uTumelo Madlala, the lies that this guy has told the court. I'm just like, umngani unjani lo noma ngabe kwakuthiwa awusatshiswa mina angizothi ngithathini. My childhood friend, guys. But I guess mina nje as a person vele I'm loyal like that. So I wouldn't have done this, man. There is no way, guys. Greyhound to bring me to Johannesburg. I turn against them, and I'm still in the same location as them. Guys, say you joking right now. So sisazokhuluma ngalo Judas loyo womngane again this evening and be like, hayibo but sifike nini lapho, you know. Mangakasandile Utumelo, guys, akwenye 11 and from Utumelo ukuthi uyabo ukuba uJudas kuba into kanjani, you know, because this is the same guy who took money from Netflix ukuthengisa umngane wakhe and lie there. That Netflix situation is not the truth because manje uqamba amanga there. Just tell the truth, bruh. Like what's going on, you know. There was a story futhi ukuthi ngathi wakathathwa nabanye abantu who are involved in this case, investigators, so-called investigators, but this is the truth that you're going to tell when to people, or South Africans for that matter. He went with that. Washintsha umuntu, like how Fiso Meiwa would always say, because you know, Utumelo Masleli used to say, ulongwe, bra, ulongwe, you know. Uyazi what? So akazazi Utumelo maybe he's the same guy futhi who called him Mr. Hlophe isibari sikaSenzo Meyiwa to say who's married to Senzo Meyiwa's sister to say sekwenzeke mistake nange sedubuleka uSenzo Meyiwa nge-mistake. Akho mistake there, guys. Like please Tana abantu deserves justice uSenzo Meyiwa. It's as simple as just that. So basically uTumelo Madlalo betrayed Senzo Meyiwa, guys. Ihlala nje kanjalo le nto le. Let's not try and do two ways about it. There's nothing there. He betrayed him.